you gonna go down the slide,
What
honey?
are you doing? Go down the slide.
Go down the slide, honey.
Surprised he isn't stuck. Get out of there. No, get out and go down the slide. Don't go to the other side, encourage him to go down the slide.
Come here, honey. Come on, come down the slide.
Kelly, you want to come get him? Wait, let him figure it out.
Okay, now go down the slide.
Wait, wait a second. Ah. Whoa, what's your issue with Mum?
You didn't want to go down the slide?
You want to go back through your hole?
Yeah.
Could have just bought you a hole. Figure it out.
You can do it. Good. Look at the cardinal.
Here's the cardinal Kelly's looking at. Okay, one more time. Yeah. Oh, now you're getting more efficient at it.